have been to Cake International, you don't know what you're missing. This is the biggest cake show in the world.
Cake International is my favourite cake show ever, and I've been to a lot of cake shows.
You have people coming from all over the world to participate in the competition.
It's amazing, there's definitely nothing else like it.
You can take on more advice and learn different things.
There is so much to see at Cake International, from our rows of competition cakes and our wonderful edible art installations.
There's a lot of variety here.
It's just such a lovely atmosphere here.
From someone who's new to the industry, it's got a great range of things here.
Some of the decorations and the designs on the cakes, it's insane.
This is Yorick Burnison, but this took 1 week to make. So he's completely sugar paste on the outside. Cake International is one of the biggest cake shows in the world. It's international. Everyone comes to this show.
Cake International is
Inspiring,
Colourful,
Unique.
vibrant.
emotional. They come from all over the world.
It is the cake event of the year. Amazing days, amazing people, and one not to miss.